Talofa lava, my name is Alberta.
Talofa lava, my name is Sevai, and we're going to give you tips on how to host Samoan gatherings.
So the first tip is make sure you can feed everyone. I make sure that I have enough food. Oh my gosh, if you don't have enough food, your family will talk about you for days.
Yep.
Another tip that's really good is to let your neighbours know that you're having a gathering so that you don't get noise control called, and maybe to sweeten it is to go around with a plate of food.
Yeah, just to let them know.
Yeah.
The next tip is to remember to have takeaway plates included at the end. You have to make plates for the people that come and eat your food.
Make sure...
Sorry.
Gosh. My next tip is that you should delegate all your tasks. What people are doing, what the kids should be doing. Thank you for watching our tips on how to host a Samoan gathering.
See you next time.